Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
If we want to check where the temperatures are right now, we can swipe to the left and you can see that the fridge is at 37. The freezer compartment on the bottom left is at 0, and the freezer compartment on the bottom right is at 0. If we want to change those temperatures, the easiest way to do it is to hit our home button right up here, and we're going to hit cooling functions, and then we're going to want to go to temperatures. You'll see our 3 different compartments. Now the bottom right compartment is actually a flexible temperature zone. So if we go to that one, we can actually go all the way down to -5 on this zone, or we can go all the way up to 41 degrees. So you can make that a perfect spot for some wine. 37 is standard refrigeration, or 32 for meat and fish, where it's still freezing, but it's not getting quite as frozen as some of the other spots. But you can go to 19, then you can drop it down. So you hit next when you have your temperature set, and it's telling you that the compartment's going to be set as a traditional freezer. So we'll hit the set button. So the freezer can go from -5 up to 5 degrees. And then we got our fridge. So our refrigerator section, 37 is recommended, but you can set it up to 42, or you can take it down to 33. But this will not go below freezing. Hit save when you get it to the temperature that you want, and now all your temperatures are set.